saying, oh, I have to do this, 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 and this until I get there. Why can't you just be there? The message that my guides want me to get out today is the things that you say to yourself matter. So you need to be kind to yourself. You have been going down this road, oh, I'm not good enough. Oh, I can't do that. You are putting yourself in these bondages, in these situations where you're right. If you're talking to yourself and you're like, I can't do that, you're right. You can't do that. But if you make that switch and make that mental state change from negative to positive, you can change that outcome. You can change your trajectory. Because if you are saying, oh, I can't do that, oh, you are literally giving yourself excuses. Stop giving yourself excuses. I am so sick and tired of people being like, oh, well, I don't have the money to do that. I don't have the means to do that. Guess what? If you really wanted to, you would. Like those videos that are going around. If he really wanted to, he would. And babe, that's the same thing with yourself. And honestly, I am fed up because we are literally programmed to believe that we cannot be successful, that we have to have a certain trait, a certain skill, so much education in order to be successful. And honestly, I really am sick and tired of it. And this is my message for you today. The things that you say to yourself matter. Be kind. Give yourself grace. Allow yourself to look from the outside. Get a different perspective. If you were your best friend, what would you want for you? What would you want for you? Because you aren't giving yourself the grace. You're not giving yourself the love. There's zero self-care there. You're putting yourself on everybody else's timetable, if that makes sense. You are saying, oh, I have to do this, 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 and this until I get there. Why can't you just be there? Meet that frequency right now. Be in the present right now and be that person. Because the faster you are that person and you change your mind into believing, and it's not just saying, oh, I am an engineer. No, you have to live, breathe, and be an engineer. If you want to be an artist, you have to live, breathe, and be an artist. If you don't fully believe deep down inside that you are an artist, you're not. So that is the daily message today. I hope that makes sense. I have no idea what I just said, but I am CG from the Galactic Soul. If you want to get more daily messages like this one for just some positive, motivational reinforcement, definitely hit subscribe. And if this resonated, give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear from you in the comments as well. Sending you so much love and light, and remember to be yourself.